Hey, it's S2, your level 99 AliExpress advisor. What do we have today? Well, something very exciting. For all you gamers out there, what's the one most important thing that you like to have? What I have noticed is lights on your keyboard, on your PCU. This product you must probably already know about. Ba-ba-ba-bum. No, it's not a carpet and it's not magic, but it might as well be. It's $30 roughly, so you might be thinking, well, that's a lot for just a mouse pad, but it's not just a mouse pad. Let's open it up. Whoa. Nikki said that this could also be used as a yoga mat because it is waterproof. Yeah, if you're a 3-year-old baby who's about this tall, you can use it as a yoga mat. Wow. It feels really nice, you guys. It's like silicone base, and then the cloth does feel super waterproof. Yeah, so you guys might be wondering, cool, nice pad, what is this thing? It's giant. It actually is a wireless charging pad. Some ASMR. It's really nicely designed. So it's got the logo, and then it has these things, which is where you would place your phone, meaning it shows the connectivity. This looks exactly like the Apple fingerprint sensor. So another cool thing is that you might just get bored of simple, blue, black, yellow, red lighting. This actually has, I don't know the exact number, but we'll test it, about roughly 35 different modes of just lighting that you can enhance by putting your fingerprint on here. So you can just change up the pattern, the way it lights up. I just think it's such a dope thing to have. Even if you're not a gamer and you're just someone who's on your computer all day, you can have everything you need very close to you. Plug it in, see if it works. It turns on and it has 7 different colors. So it just flashes all the colors in front of you when you turn it on. I wanna see if this finger sensor thing works. It doesn't give us instructions on how to set it up, so we want to see if it's an actual fingerprint, like only my finger can control it, or it's like a button and they just put fingerprints on there. Seems it's just a button with a fingerprint on it and they call it fingerprint sensor. Those tricky people out there, they're not lying. It is a fingerprint and it is a sensor. The cool thing about this though is that the wireless middle circle actually changes the color. It matches the color of the mouse pad. If you're anything like me, you want consistency. You don't want it to be a random color. So it actually has the same color as the line outside, which is just so dope. Now, we're going to see if the wireless charging actually works. As you know, you get those tiny wireless pads. Some of them work, some of them don't. It really depends on the price point. Sometimes it works with an Android, other times it only works with Apple. It's very annoying. So for $30, if this thing works, I honestly would buy it. iPhone 12, we're gonna see if this charges it. And it could be that it doesn't charge through the case. Sometimes you have to take the case off. So let's see if this is a Google Pixel. Let's see if this charges right through the case. Wow. It does indeed. It could be that my charging case is just very thin. I think it's just a thick case. Now we're gonna put this phone on. It works. You have to kind of press it if you want to do it with the case.
So it doesn't work.
No, it doesn't work with the case. You just have to press it. Like now it's charging, but it's tricky. It's like hit and miss. If you have a thick case on your phone, it might charge. You put it on, but then it might not also. We got so freaking distracted looking at the wireless charging that we forgot the actual functionalities of the mouse pad. Right off the bat, it has enough space for my arms. Super important if you're a gamer, right? You're constantly like, I can move this aside. The one thing that for me, when I am playing on my PC or my laptop, or if I'm just writing something for a long time, the biggest thing is that my arms. After a while, this part just starts hurting because if you notice, I'm gonna move this to show you guys, this is small, right? So I can really only have my mouse pad here, or if I'm even like typing, my arm is at the bottom, so it's constantly hitting the table, which means after a while it just starts to hurt and it doesn't feel good. That is actually a big concern of mine. So even though the movement of this mouse pad is nice, this does still feel nicer just because it's like there's no traction. That's a big thing for gamers. You want to have fast movements, so you should be able to control your mouse fast. It just literally just slides. It's so nice. So what I can do is while I'm gaming, I can actually have my arms resting really nicely. It's a huge bonus and a huge plus. So I really like the design of this. So one more cool feature about this that we slightly mentioned in the beginning is that it is waterproof. Every time we talk about waterproof things, we assume people just sweat a lot. But you can actually just be spilling water on it. Although Nikki does not think that it's very useful. I personally think it is useful because I have in the past spilled water on my mouse pads and it's just super annoying. But I don't know how, like, if this is actually effective, if it absorbs the water, where does the water go? We have a lot of questions. Let's bring out the water. Let it rain! Ooh. Yeah, that's cool. Wow. Magic! And then you spill water and it like leaks underneath. Why didn't they think that through? Oh my god, I could do this forever. Oh my god! Ah! No! Ah! This is sick. No, don't! Ah! Don't. I just leaked everywhere. Like, that's what exactly I was gonna say. Like, they didn't think it through because when water leaks, right? And you're like, oh no. Like, and then it just leaks on me. So great, now my mouse pad is dry, but I'm wet. Yeah, that was my concern, that cool, the front part is like dry, but then the back is wet. I feel like it creates more of a mess, to be very honest. Maybe it'd be better if it was absorbent. But then you have to wash it. That's true. Just don't freaking drink around it, okay? Just be more civil.